In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the duration of text in your projects. This is a really useful skill to have, whether you're working on a presentation, video, or any other digital project that involves timed text elements. So let's get started and make sure you can seamlessly control how long text appears in your creations. First things first, you'll want to locate the specific text that you want to adjust the duration for. This is usually situated at the bottom of your design interface. If you're using a tool like Canva, you just need to click on the text directly. This selection step is crucial because it allows you to focus on the element you wish to modify without affecting other parts of your project. As you click on that text, you'll notice that options to edit or adjust settings become available. Now that we've selected the text, let's explore how to change its duration. The simplest way to do this is by dragging. Yes, it's just that easy. Once the text is selected, you can click and hold one of the edges of the text box. By dragging it to the right, you can extend the duration, which means the text will stay on the screen longer. Conversely, if you want the text to appear for a shorter period, simply drag it to the left. This intuitive drag feature allows you to visually gauge how long the text will appear, making it incredibly convenient to make real-time adjustments based on your preferences. Here's a small tip: pay attention to any guidelines or time indicators that may appear while you're dragging. Some tools offer visual aids that show you the exact duration as you adjust the text box. These can be very helpful to ensure precise timing, especially if you're synchronizing text with other media elements like audio or video. Let's talk a little more about why timing is so important. Properly timed text ensures that your viewers have enough time to read and understand your message without it lagging on the screen or disappearing too quickly. It's all about finding the perfect balance. Consider your audience and the complexity of the text. Simpler, shorter text may not need as long, while more complex information might benefit from a longer duration. Once you've set the desired duration, take a moment to preview your project. This will allow you to see how the changes you've made fit into the flow and pacing of the entire presentation. Don't hesitate to make further adjustments after you've watched the preview. Sometimes seeing the text in action reveals new insights. And there you have it. You now know how to adjust the duration of text in your projects, enhancing not only the visual appeal but also the communication efficiency of your work. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your next digital project even more effective.